Up Ahead fields. This is a Garmin nuvi 2597 LMT, but it pretty much works the same on just about any Garmin nuvi Drive Smart, Drive Lux made after 2013 or 2014. A bunch of them. So, well, what is it? Well, when you're on a trip, you can tap the little menu here, tap the little wrench here. You add in Up Ahead first, so you have the option, and you get this. Now, on an older model like this one, the 2597, it will just show symbols. And what we have here are gas stations first, parking areas next, and rest areas last. So it's showing that there is a gas station 4.5 miles away, parking 366 miles away, and a rest area 95 miles away. And if I tap it, it will show me that is what is ahead. But what you can do is change what these fields actually show. If I tap this and then go up here, you can do the customize Up Ahead, where it shows gas station, parking, and rest area, and these little arrows here show that I can actually move the order of what I want to show. And in addition to that, I can hit this, either do a custom search or any one of these categories here. Now, for example, if I wanted to change the rest area to lodging, so now it's showing, which basically means hotels and motels, so gas station, parking, and lodging. And this one I will change over to restaurants, so now it's gas station, restaurants, lodging. And let's just say I wanted to show lodging first and restaurants next. Lodging, restaurants, gas station, save, and then go back. Now it's showing the symbol for the lodging at 11 miles away. We've got the restaurants in 3 miles and gas station also in 3 miles. And if I click this one, there it is. So if I want to change it back to the way I had it, tap any one of them. Okay, so I had gas stations, parking, rest areas, save, and yeah. That is the way I originally had it. And then I can just take it away if I want to, and that's the trip data field. I can take that away. So again, from this menu here, while you're en route to a trip, to a destination, excuse me, you can first add in Up Ahead and then go to Up Ahead, and then it shows its thing. Now on newer models, you will see more than just a symbol actually stretch out a bit and show the name of the places up ahead, which is nice. On these older ones though, it's just the symbol. But it's a cool feature for longer journeys.